Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to connect your crypto wallet to an exchange in 2025. These steps may vary slightly depending on the exchange, but the general process remains the same. For example, let's say we are using the Solana exchange. First, you'll need to choose a wallet app. I'm going to the Phantom wallet, so let's jump into that. Now, once you're in Phantom, head over to your account settings. Look for the plus icon and click on to it and connect your wallet. Here, you will be prompted to either create a new account or connect a pre-existing one. If you have a hardware wallet, you can also link it here. You can even import a recovery phrase or private key if needed. For hardware wallet users like Ledger, just click Connect Ledger Wallet. Once you do that, make sure your Ledger device is turned on and ready to go. The process is pretty similar for the wallets too. For instance, let's check it out. Trust Wallet. If you want to link it to an exchange, just click the Add New Wallet button. Here you will also need to put in your password and link before. Make sure your hardware wallet is connected if you're using the one. Once your wallet is connected, you're all set to trade and transfer crypto. And that's it. It's really that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.